were talking about Stay Down, which is the song that you just performed.
That's right.
And I have been close to that song before, but probably never this close.
No, it's true.
And I was thinking that you've been performing that for a year. How do you keep the energy exactly the same, if not more, than when you first premiered that as a single? Because that song takes it out of you. I know that.
It does. I would say we keep the energy in that one because, it's definitely, my own little Me Too song, I would say. And so it's easy to find that energy these days, especially after this last week. I'm like, yeah, bring it. Every time I play that song, it's my own filter to just be as angry as I want and scream at the top of my lungs. And so that's kind of easy to do lately,
and
as of late.
It just re-ups itself.
It does. It really does. It keeps re-upping. I don't think it's ever going to, it doesn't feel, there's a section of that song where I just say, how long? And that's how I feel. Like, how effing long do we have to go through this over and over and over again? So, it just felt like one more week of that. So in a way, if that felt extra energetic, just filtering and processing,
Yeah. Yep, I felt it too. It's pretty spectacular. You guys, congratulations on 13 years.
Well,
12 years together.
Yeah, 10 years actually married.
10 years married.
Yeah.
That's
a decade.
A huge one. How does it feel?
It is.
Great.
It feels great. We haven't really had time to celebrate yet.
That's right.
But we will soon. I feel like
maybe in December we were thinking of camping on the beach or something.
Yeah, that'd be good. Maybe in December. So
after this album is released, because you have been putting something out once a month. For
video-wise,
7 months. Yeah, but that includes a song.
A song, yeah.
It's not a silent film.
It's true. Actually, it'd be kind of great if some of them were, because these orange jumpsuits are featured, and it almost. I do a lot of fast motion in that, so it would work as a silent film quite well.
Absolutely.
But that's overloaded.
That's overloaded. Song, yeah. But we and we've been working on releasing. It kind of ended up being almost every 2 months, but that was my goal. I talked to you about it a year ago, and I was like, "This is my plan. This is what we're gonna do." And you looked at me like, because how many people say that?
Who does that?
Who does that? But then we already had these songs. We'd already recorded them with Gabe. They were already pretty much ready, and we were just waiting for the right time to release them and then finish. We kind of piecemealed this record in a way. We did 2 sessions so we could sort of afford it. So we would do as much as we could do, and then we'd take a little break, and then we would do as much as we could do. So we wanted something to carry the momentum forward while we're here in Tucson. And the visual beauty here, for us being new, we've only been here 3 years this January 1st.
Right.
And it's still we're still honeymooning. We just love everything we see. So we're just like, this would never happen back east. Everything.
I'm so glad to hear it, because at the same time, I feel like you guys are like desert animals that just made a little burrow, and disappeared.
Pack rats.
Pack rats.
You just faded into the landscape, except for the orange jumpsuits.
It's true. The orange jumpsuits. We had to stand out somehow. We had to jump out somehow.